Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we are going to discuss how to unlock Excel file that is password protected. Thus, if your workbook is protected with a strong password and you forgot the password, then this video will surely help you in accessing those secured data. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to know how to unlock password-protected Excel file using 4 quick ways. Method 1. Unlock a password-protected Excel file with password. If you know the password of your locked Excel file, then it's tremendous. You can easily unprotect the protected workbook by entering the password. Here are 3 easy ways to do so. Way 1. Open your MS Excel file. Locate a password-protected sheet that you can see in the bottom of your sheet, and right-tap on it. Next, select the Unprotect sheet. Now enter the password. Way 2. Go to the Review tab in an open protected sheet. Then, click on the Unprotect sheet. Now enter the password to disable it. Way 3. Go to a Home tab. Then locate Cells section. Then, click on Format, Unprotect Sheet. Enter the password or click a button to unlock Excel files. Method 2. Copy the password-protected sheet data to a new workbook. Moving the password-protected sheet data to a new Excel workbook is another easy trick to unprotect the sheet. To do this, open your password-protected sheet. Select all the content using Ctrl+A keys. Then press Ctrl+C to copy them. After that, create a new workbook and paste the copied content using Ctrl+V keys to a new file. Method 3. Unprotect Excel workbook without password online. If you have tried all the methods and cannot open your Excel files, try to unlock the file with a professional Lost My Pass online tool if you forgot the password. You need to ensure the internet connection is stable to use the online tool to unlock your Excel files. To use Lost My Pass online tool, you have to open web browser on your PC. Then, go to the Lost My Pass website by visiting to https://www.lostmypass.com/. Click Try It Now. Drag your locked Excel files to this window or click the button to upload them. Then, the online tool will unprotect Excel sheets for you. After unlocking Excel files, download them and save the file to your computer. That's it. Method 4. Use Excel Repair tool to repair and open a corrupted workbook. If you are looking for a quick way to repair and open Excel file, then you can download the Excel Repair tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of corruptions in the Excel file and make them accessible. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about how to unlock password-protected Excel file. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.